Hello, my name is Mike. I am in the Automotive Collision Technology course at Georgetown Technical College. I've been retired from the Army for about 4 years now. I got into this course because my overall goal is to open a customization shop and work on motorcycles and small vehicles. This course is based on the iCar training model. Within that course, you're going to learn, what we learn here is not only the aspects of painting a vehicle, but the aspects of doing all the body work and the technology that goes behind it to prepare that vehicle to get spray painted or painted for the customer. With that, you're learning how to use body fillers, fiberglass, you're learning how to work metals back into shape, and then you learn all the aspects of mixing your paint colors and getting your blends right to where when you do a paint job on a vehicle or any type of equipment, the paint job comes out professional looking. My favorite part of the program is the feeling that I get when we get a vehicle in that's damaged or just needs a paint job, going through the process and seeing what the end result is and knowing that, and having the satisfaction of knowing that I was able to do that for the customer, and then to see the look on the customer's face when they come to pick up the vehicle and just the shock that they're in over the job that we've done for them. I think the hardest part about this course is, and from what I've seen from personal experience, is the mind frame coming into it. You have to come into it with an open mind and take the criticism that is given to you by the instructors in order to learn the skill set that you're going to need to perform this job in the outside world. Coming straight out of high school, you're expecting big things, but it's not that. You know, there's going to be times when you're not going to do exactly what you want. You have to do what is told for you to do. You've got time frames just like any other job where you have to finish a specific project at a certain time. Some people just can't handle the stress of getting that done in a time frame. So that's the majority of the people that we see that don't stick around. What I wish somebody would have told me before I took this course is the amount of math that goes into it. You have a lot of formulas and stuff that you have to deal with as far as mixing paints. So you have to be very specific with what you're mixing and how you're mixing it in order to get the proper color that you want. My advice, if you're still in high school, you know, get into an art class, let your creative side come out, because you do need it in this course, because you have to be able to look at a vehicle and determine what kind of damage is done to that vehicle and what do you as a technician need to do in order to get that vehicle back to the way it was. So again, you know, get into stay strong with the math skills, but also get that creative side of your brain flowing so that you're able to think on your feet.